Alrighty, here we have an S2000 diff. So a guy had it in an estate sale and he said it was broken and sold it to me for cheap. We have some drive shaft input and both axle stubs are spinning. So I could only imagine, and I'm feeling a little bit of some looks like one of the teeth is bad. I mean, here we have some motion, and then it kind of, I mean, maybe has OS geeking in there. Looks like it skips over one of the teeth here, and then kind of, yeah, but the rest it goes just fine. So I want to open it up and see what we're working with. These look like 12s. So I have to break these loose. Actually, let's see if there's fluid in there. That'd be good to check. A little bit of more leverage. I'd imagine there's no fluid in there, but oh yeah, she's dry. Let's continue taking stuff off. I hope there's an always geeking in here. That would be nice. We can salvage that. And I'd imagine this rear lid just comes right off. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Just put that right over there. There we go. Okay. Boom. These two little rings, so be careful with those. Alright, let's take a look in there. Yes, okay, let's keep going. Is there more down there? Ooh. There it is. We're in. Okay, got that. Yes. I think that's the last one. Okay, now you gotta remember which are which. Same length, okay. That's 3. Someone put a buttload of the sealant on here. That is a ton. That is way too much. That one's a little longer. Okay, so to recap, looks like the top right one, the first one on the right has a split, is longer. The rest are about the same. And the one at the very, very bottom, well, that was a little obvious, but now we gotta get someone nice and tight in there for hammering things out. Oh, ooh, we're in business. First time opening up a diff, period. No idea what I'm doing. Ever so. Oh, we going. Oh, we going. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip it on its. Alright. Whoa. Oh, yes. Plenty of metal shavings in there. What happened? Oh, whoa. Yeah, the pinion gear is. So you can see what's wrong in there. I'm gonna put it down so I can see it spin. Oh, I see metal. I think some metal just worked all over it. Ooh. 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 Whoa, we got a big shard. Whoa. Yep. It's a lot of damage. What the guy said was that, yeah, always geeking diff. Looks like. Oh, yo, this is the always geeking diff. Or the LSD. Woohoo! There it is. That is fantastic news. I'd like to wash the diff or wash the LSD somehow. Okay, we're just gonna continue taking stuff off. I bought it and it had this OS geeking box. And I look in there and that's just an OEM diff. I think he took this out, put that in, and then something else broke, and so this just stayed in here. Okay, great. It's probably not enough power to get this off. Yep, we'll just send it with the impact. Okay, this might not come out immediately because that'd be too easy. Nope. Nope. That just sort of came out. Right. Oh, yes. OS Geekin. Tastes like soup. Oh, that is cool. Okay. All right. Are these pretty damaged? Yeah, these are pretty sharded. Spicy diff. Oh, that pinion gear is just shot. You got some metal in that little gully as well. Whoa. Let's get a close-up shot of that. Anyway, this is what I'm interested in. I'd imagine it's still good. Imagine this one has metal in it, but we can clean that up. All right, with the discovery of the Geekin here, we're gonna try to get it cleaned up, see if it's in good shape, and then go from there.